Work online as a freelancer without no skill or any experience and get paid in dollars. In this video, I'll be walking you through step by step on how to do that without skill or any experience here. But before I proceed, my name is Esther and I teach people how to make money online and offline, crypto, finance. And if you are new here and you want to be getting notification for my new video, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and also smash the like button, and also leave a comment in the comment section. So let's dive into the video. I will be showing you how you can work online without no experience or no skill here. The name of the website is Legit, and this website is for freelancers. Like, you can come here to buy services or to render services. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be showing you how you can render your service and get paid even if you don't have any skill or any experience. As you can see here, get featured on Business Insider. This guy is charging $375. This person is charging $25. And then you can see here a graphic designer is charging $10 a year. And then you are expected to provide services that are top notch on this particular website to give out to their customer. You can see what Lauren Mam is saying. Do yourself a favor to give Legit a try. I have to say that after being burned so many times from other marketplace, it is refreshing to work with freelancers on Legit. The services are carefully screened and the customer service is top notch. If you are tired of the same old crappy online services, do yourself and give Legit a try. As you can see here, that people are actually giving this site review, and the reason why I like this site is because it is not saturated compared to Upwork, Fiverr, people per hour like that. So it's not saturated and people are coming here to make cool cash for themselves. So if you want to get started now, just click on register. Click on register to get started. So if you want to do that, put your full name, your surname and your name, your surname and your first name, that is your first name and your last name, your email address, your username, your password, then confirm your password. Then you get to account type. You see, you are preparing 3 types of accounts here, but you have to choose one. It's either you are buying, or this buying game is you are a customer and you are looking for the person that you want to hire to get work done for you. Then we have selling, like you will be the one selling your service for them here, and then people will pay you in dollars. Then we have buying and selling. But because we want to work as a freelancer, we are going to choose selling, like selling my services to make money. Selling my services to make money. So after that, you click on this button and then click on register. Do you get? So you click on register. They are going to send a confirmation mail to your email address to get started. So all what you have to do here is to put your details here and then go to your Gmail account to confirm the link they will send to you. So as you can see here, I've already input my details to register, and then they say that I need to activate my email address. So they've sent me the link already. So I will head over now to my Gmail account, and then I will look for a mail that comes from Legit. Yes, and get started fully. So I'm trying to refresh my Gmail account now. You can see updates. They've sent me the link. They sent me two mail, and then you're almost there. Just confirm the link. And for the registration, just confirm the link here. You have successfully created a Legit account. To activate it, click below to verify your email address. So just click on activate account, and then after that, I'm done with that. Just click on it, then you will activate your account. So after clicking on the link to activate my account, it's brought me here. Then you have to put your profile picture. Just click on it and then just click on this pencil icon. Then click on it. Then to take you to where you will put your profile picture. Then after that, you can set your time zone. I am in Nigeria, or you can see Africa. People from Nigeria, people from all over the world, from America, from you see, from Asia, from Canada. Just put your time zone here, so it accepts everybody all over the world. So put your address, your city, your state, your country. You can put Nigeria, you can put America, you can put any country you wish to put there. So you can see I said that I will be selling my service. Then it is showing selling. Then you will click on update to update your account. So after you've already done that, you click on this three hamburger sign. Then you want to know the kind of service you want to be rendering here. So you can go for writing, then you can go for graphic design. So you can go for graphics design. You can see logo design, image editing, infographics. You can see we have different designs you can provide here. Business card designs, all these things, they are very very simple to create. Just go to Canva and then create one for yourself. Or if you don't know how to even design at all, look for people around you, then call them, tell them that okay, I want to design a flyer. You can actually charge them, can actually charge $5 here or $10 here, and people will pay. After people paying you, then you pay the person that you gave the work to help you design it. Okay, if it is like okay, the person charge you 2k, and then you are charging $10 here, and as at now, $10 is 750 naira in Nigeria, 7,500 naira, because $1 currently is 750 naira. So if you can charge $10, you're getting 7,500 naira for yourself, and then you just give the person 2,000 naira, and then the remaining 5,500 naira is yours. That's if you want to go for graphics design. And if you don't know how to do that, I have a video on how to design simple logos, how to design flyers on Canva, and I'm going to put it in the description of this video. So the thing that I want to focus here is writing. Just click on writing. You can see we have copywriting, we have blog posting, we have resumes, we have and cover letters, editing and proofreading, press releases, translation, creating creative writing, web content, and so on and so forth. So what you have to do is just click on blog posting. Then you will have to create your own gig. Creating your own gig means that you are creating your own advert. Like you are creating your own advert. So these are the type of gig that you can provide here. You can see 2,000 plus words of CEO article for $29. And this person has done 438 jobs, like 438 people has given this person 438 reviews. And I'm very very sure it is not everybody that she has done the job for that gave her reviews. So definitely you have people that have done more than this. She has already done more than 438 jobs on this particular website, and she's charging $10 at for the least job she can do is $10. You can see here web content writers or blog writer, then the person is charging $15. This person here is charging $39. Look at this person here, premium CEO articles, blog posts. This person is charging $10. And on another thing here is get 2,500 words of engaging and CEO. The person is charging $7. This is the list, and the person has 153 reviews already. And I said that for this person to have this kind of reviews, this person has done more than that, because it is not everybody that she has worked for that is going to drop her a review. So like we have black people here, we have white people here, like you can see them here. If you are from Africa, if you are from Nigeria, my Nigeria people, just come here and then post your own gig. Like this picture you are seeing here, it is a gig. This person is trying to sell what he or she is rendering. So you can see, if you are looking for high quality and engaging blog posts that will rank well in Google search results, look no further than legit. Our freelance writers are experts at creating content that your visitor will be interesting and valuable. So they are telling their customers here that they should come here. So you are expected to give out quality service here that will even rank well in Google search results. So what you have to do, and remember, you don't have a skill. So I'm going to show you a website that you can actually come here, go there to look for who is rendering this kind of service, and then you will look for how much the person will be charging. Then you put your own price and come here to post your gig. It's as simple as that. See, most of the people here, they don't have a skill. Oh, they don't have anything. They don't have a skill. They don't have experience. They just look out for people that are ready this kind of service, and they will post it here. So they will just contact the person, and then the person will work for them, and then they will bring it here when they have clients here, and they will render it and take their own charges. They're just working like a middleman. Just like a middleman, they don't have anything to offer. They don't have any skill, but they have something to offer rather. So all what you have to do is just jump on this thing and start making cool cash for yourself. So the name of the website to go to look for those people that will work for you is Writer's Gig. If you want to become a writer on legit website, and just click on here, these three hamburgers, and you see blogging, copywriting, freelance tips, and all that. So it is blogging that you want to go for a blog post. Then you will see different kind of people that are into blog writing. So just register on this website and then look for those people that want to give out or that want to render their service, and then just copy what they are doing there and then post it on legit website. So once you get clients on legit website, just come here. You can see people, they will charge you 2,000 naira here. As low as 2,000 naira from Nigeria. Oh. Then you see them here and then start making money for yourself. So if you don't get how to make money in this year, you are dulling yourself. So just jump on and start making money for yourself. So if you find this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. So I'll see you in my next video.